Hi. Today we're going to answer the question, should your nonprofit hire somebody to help with Salesforce? Chances are you did not start or get into the nonprofit world because you're a technology wizard. You got into it because you're passionate about making a great impact in your community. And a lot of times you might not have the requisite skills necessary to do a lot of the technology stuff. And that's not to say you can't learn. Everybody can learn, but it's a matter of balancing your time and energy with creating the impact and setting up your technology. And that's where really hiring somebody to help can be a huge boon for your nonprofit. So when should you hire somebody? If you're not a technology wizard, especially if you're not used to the ideas that go into setting up databases, CRMs, and automations. Having somebody who's done it before, who speaks kind of the lingo of that program, and also is really process oriented so that they can help you identify some of the processes that you might not even recognize you're doing on a regular basis. Because then they can help you automate them, saving you a bunch of time. So when might you choose not to hire somebody to help? Well, if you're a technological guru, fantastic. Run with it. Salesforce has a great training platform that can get you all the information you need if you're willing to sit down and learn. I love it. It's called Trailhead. We'll talk about that a lot more in future videos. So if you have a tech guru on your staff or you are one yourself, you might not need to hire a consultant, or you might not need to hire a consultant for as much of the process. Really just depends on the experience that your staff has. So think about that as you step into this world of Salesforce and you consider moving forward with setting up or modifying your Salesforce CRM. Where do you want help to save you time and in the long run, save you money? That's all for today. Keep up the great work, and I can't wait to see you again soon.